Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the extension in Gemini AI. Open the Chrome or Edge browser, search for Gemini AI, and then you can see that there's a setting button in there. Click on it, go to extensions, and if it is turned off, you can go ahead and turn it on. You can see that all of my extensions are turned off right now because I'm turning it off. Now turn it back on, just click on the enable button, press on connect for the Google Workspace and enable each and every extension possible. Now to use this extension, you should go to settings, go to extensions, and it will lead you to this page. Let me give you an example by using this example. By clicking on this, you can simply search for some information like find me somewhere near to dine. After you do so, type enter and Gemini will give you some suggestions for places you can eat from according to your area. Now go to extensions again, and if you want to go to somewhere like a hotel, you can simply search for find me hotels or something like that, and Gemini will enable the Google Map extension, and then it will search hotels for you according to your price and requirements. As you can see, it has provided me some hotels near my area. You can click on it or go to Google Maps and search for it. If you click on the link, it will lead you to Google Maps and you can follow it using the map. So this is how you can access extension using Gemini AI. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.